Here he wakes up early, the sun rising in the background. Every new day is a chance to start fresh. He drinks water to energize his body. Small morning habits make a big difference. He says aloud, "Today I will do my best." Positive words train the mind for success. Doing push-ups builds his body and confidence. Small effort adds up. Jumping rope creates energy and joy. Every movement strengthens him. Squats make him stronger physically. A strong body supports a strong mind. Deep breathing calms the mind. Confidence grows in a relaxed brain. He writes down today's wins. Seeing progress makes him believe in himself. Reading what he accomplished reminds him that every effort matters. A smile appears as he reviews his progress. Confidence grows naturally. Facing one fear each day makes him braver. Small courage becomes big confidence. Reading out loud builds trust in himself. Practice strengthens inner belief. Completing a difficult task gives satisfaction. Confidence rises with every achievement. Silent moments calm the mind. Inner peace strengthens courage. Confidence is quiet. Calmness makes him feel unstoppable. Standing tall shows inner strength. Body language reflects mindset. Every step is intentional. Purpose gives power to actions. Small challenges prepare him for bigger mountains ahead. Stepping over fear feels hard but necessary. Courage grows with practice. Fear shrinks when he faces it. Confidence grows stronger. Tracking daily progress keeps him consistent. Small wins add up. Each day builds a little more confidence. Growth is gradual but steady. Focused work beats long hours of distraction. Clarity strengthens confidence. Distractions fade when focus is strong. Inner strength is protected. Seeing himself confident in the mirror reinforces belief. Choosing courage over comfort is the key to unstoppable confidence. A confident aura surrounds him. Energy spreads to every action. Even small wins matter. Celebration reinforces habits. Building habits one by one creates strong foundations. Confidence grows like a wall, brick by brick, day by day. Inner light shines when habits are consistent. Confidence comes from within. Confidence makes him feel taller, stronger, and ready for challenges. Big challenges await, but preparation and habits have made him ready. Step by step, he climbs. Consistency is more important than speed. Reaching the peak shows that persistence and courage pay off. His flag of confidence stands tall. Achievement is the result of effort and clarity. Even when challenges come, calm confidence holds him steady. Negativity cannot touch him. Focus and clarity protect his mind. Every step leads toward a brighter, more confident future. Peace and confidence shine from within. This is the result of daily habits and courage.